Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 3 maths. You can find all the lessons on a+students.com. You have to log in there using your email address and you have to find all the lessons on a+students.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 maths. Click on view all lessons. So here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. We are going to start with the chapter division. Lesson's name from the chapter division is division input output tables. Divide 3-digit numbers. Then the final test from the chapter division. Then we're going to start with a new chapter subtraction. The lesson names are subtract numbers up to 3 digits. Subtraction input output tables up to 3 digits. Subtract numbers up to digits. Nancy's check your internet connection because I think every other than you, everyone can hear me. Hello, can you hear me? Please write a yes in a chat box if you can hear me. Let's just start with the new lesson, that is the first lesson, division input output tables. Division input output tables. Nancy, please fix your internet connection because everyone can hear me. Okay, let's start with the first lesson, that is division input output tables. Okay, I'm on the lesson division input output tables. We are doing grade 3 maths. The chapter name is division and the lesson name is division input output tables. So let's start with the test. Okay, complete the table. The rule is you have to divide by 2. Let me just write down the table on the board. You have input values and the output as well. The input values are 4, 6, 8 and 10. You are just given one of the input value, that would be 4, and the rest of the values are missing. The rule is divide by 2. That means you have to divide the each input value by 2 to find the input value. Got it? Simran, I'm good. Okay, you have to divide each input value by 2. Okay, the first input value is 4. Divide the input value by 4 to get the output value. Got it? Okay, 2 times what number is 4? You have to divide 4 by 2. You have to count 2 table of 2 until you get 4. 2 times what number is 4? 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? That means 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here the output value is 2. Got it? The next input value is 6. Divide the 6 by 2. Okay, 2 times what number is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? So that means the next output value is 3 because you have to divide the inputs value by 2. Got it? Okay, for the next one you have already given with the 4. Now divide the 10 by 2. So 2 times what number is 10? 2 times 5 is 10. Got it? So it would be 5. That means for each output value, you have to divide the input values by 2. Got it, everyone? So the missing values are 2, 3, and 5. So the correct option is 2, 3, and 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4, 6, 8, and 10, and you have to divide by 2. The input values are 4, 6, 8, and 10. That is exactly the same we just did, isn't it? 4, 6, 8, and 10. And the rule is divide by 2. You have just one given value, that is the 4. Yes, that's the same we just did. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 2 times 3 is 6. And 10 divided by 2 is 2 times 5 is 10. That's the same we just did. It would be 2, 3, and 5. Got it, everyone? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, divide complete. Please focus on the lesson discussing. Stop talking, everyone, because I have so many lessons to cover. So I am a bit quick. So please stop talking. Just focus on the lesson I am discussing. Okay, the input values are 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 8, and 10. And the rule is divide by 1. You have to divide each input value by 1. Got it? Any number divided by 1 equals, like the first input value is 4, you have to divide 4 by 1. 1 times what number is 4? No one is answering. 1 times 4 is 4. That means 4 divided by 1 is 4. Any number dividing by 1 equals the same number. Foma, not 1. Please write the answer just once. Do not create a mess, please. Okay, 4 divided by 1 equals 4. Then 8 divided by 1 equals 8. Any number divided by 1 equals the same number. Got it? Then 10 divided by 1 equals 10. Got it? It would be, so the missing numbers are 4, 8, and 10. Got it? The missing numbers are 4, 8, and 10. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, come to the table. You have to divide by 1. Which option is the correct one? 7, 8, 9, 4, 6, 5, and 2. You can think the answer and then answer. Take your time. Please think and then answer. Which option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, 2. Yes, very good. It would be 7, 8, and 9. Got it? Because you have to divide all the numbers by 1. So when you divide them by 1, it would be 7, 8, and 9. Got it? Any number divided by 1 equals the same number. Got it, everyone? Very good. Okay, which option is the correct one? 4, 6, 8, and 10. The rule is you have to divide them by 2. So which option is the correct one? Which option is the correct one? You have to divide all input values by 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 4, 6, and 8. You have to divide them by 2. The input values are, very good, Nancy, it is 2, 3, 4. 4, 6, 8, and 10. So you have to divide all the rule is divide by 2. You have the each input value by 2. It would be 4 divided by 2 equals 2 times what number makes 4? 2 times 2 makes 4. 6 divided by 2. 2 times what number makes 6? 2 times 3 makes 6. 8 divided by 2. 2 times what number is 8? 2 times 4 is 8. It would be 2, 3, 4. Got it? Okay, sorry, I forgot the names. I don't remember your names. Okay, it would be 2, 3, and 4. Got it? Okay, which option is the correct one? You have to divide by 4. You have to divide by 1. Which option is the correct one? The first one or the second one? You have to divide all the numbers by 1. So which option is the correct one? The first one or the second one? Which option is the correct one? The number 1 is the correct one. The correct option is 6, 8, and 10 because the divide rule is you have to divide them by 1. Got it? And when you divide any number by 1, the answer is the same number. So it would be 6, 8, and 10. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. And the next topic is divide three-digit numbers. Let's start with the next lesson, that is divide. Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. It would be divide three-digit numbers. Okay, you have to divide a three-digit number by a one-digit number. Let's start with the first one, that is 342 divided by a 9. Okay, so let's start with the first digit. We cannot divide 3 by 9. It is smaller than 9. We cannot divide a smaller number by the greater one, so you have to make it 34. Got it? You have to count a table of 9 until you get 34 or a number that's less than 34. Got it? Start counting table of 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. So 36 is greater than 34. Got it? So we can go for 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Just subtract them. It would be 14. You have to borrow 1. It makes 14 here and 2 here. 14 subtract 7 is 7. And 2 subtract 2 is 0. Again, 7 is smaller than 9. You cannot divide a smaller number by the greater one. Got it? You have to bring the 2 down. It would be now 72. So you have to count table of 9 until you get 72 or a number that is less than 72. Right? Now keep counting the table of 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. So here we have 72. We can go for 9 times 8 is 72. Got it? So 72 subtract 72 is 0. Got it, everyone? So 342 divided by 9 equals 38. The correct option is 38. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Please write a yes in a chat box. Okay, the next one is 216 divided by 4. If you don't answer, I will keep going. If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. Got it? Otherwise, I am keep going to the next questions. Okay, you have to count the table of 4 until you have to start with the first digit forma. You have a same problem in the last class. I think you haven't did the practice questions for the lessons we did in the last session. Please do the practice questions as many as you can, because without doing the practice questions, you're not perfect with the division. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, you have to count a table of 4 until you get 21. Got it? Or a number that is less than 21. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. Got it? So 24 is greater than 21. We can go for 4 times 5. Got it? 4 times 5 is 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. DJ, I have so many students here, so it is I forgot your name. So DJ is actually your username that I can see when you send any message. So that's why I call username. Got it? It would be, so don't mind if I am calling the name. 4 to subtract 2 is 0. So if 1 is less than 4, you have to bring the next down. It would be 16. You have to count it 16, table of 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Got it? 16 subtract 16 is 0. So it would be 54. Got it? It would be 54. Either you can edit your usernames, write your names on the username, then all your names. Got it? Because that is not easy for me to memorize the names of each of the student. 785 divided by 5. Okay, it would be 785 divided by 5. Here you have 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you can count because we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Got it? 7 subtract 5 is 2. Bring the next digit down, that would be 8. You have to count a table of 5 until you get 28. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. So you can go for 5 times 5. That would be 25. Got it? So 28 subtract 25 is 3. Bring the next digit down, that would be 5. You have to count a table of 5 until you get 35. So 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. So it would be 5 times 7 is 35. For my endotos, you guys keep talking during the session. You keep talking while I'm explaining, and then you can say you didn't get. This isn't good. If you want to get the lesson, please listen to me carefully. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, and the next lesson is the final test of the chapter division. Let's start with the final test of the chapter division. Let's start with the final test. You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the purpose. It would be just learn. So stop talking, just listen to me carefully. Okay, you have to, is 35 divisible by 5 to apply the divisibility rule. So the divisibility rule for 5 is, you have to just look at the ones digit. If either the ones digit is 0 or 5, that means the number is divisible by 5. Either ones digit is 0 or 5, number is divisible by 5. So you have 35. That means the number is divisible by 5. Got it? The answer is yes. Got it? It would be yes. The answer is, just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is complete the table. You have to divide by 2. So which is the correct option? 3, 4, 5 or 5, 9, 8? Which one is the correct option? You have to divide all the numbers by 2. So 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, and then 10 divided by 2. So the correct option is, which option is the correct one? Very good. It would be 3, 4 and 5. Got it? Because 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 5 is 10. So it would be 3, 4 and 5. Got it, everyone? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Is 13 divisible by 5? Yes or no? Is 13 divisible by 5? No, 13 is not divisible by 5. Got it? You have to just check the one digit. If it would be 0 or 5, that means the number is divisible by 5. Got it? So the answer is no. The, the number 13 is not divisible by 5. Got it, everyone? You don't have 13 in the table of 5. Got it? Okay, is 169 divisible by 8? Is it yes or no? No, the number is not divisible by 8. Got it? Because the divisibility rule for 8 is the divisibility rule for 8 is the number is divisible by 8 if the ones digit of the number is if the last three digits are divisible by 8. So 169 is not divisible by 8. Got it? The answer is no. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, a new science website has 724 to buy dollars to buy online ads. If each ad costs $7, how many ads can the website purchase? So the cost of the one ad is 7. Basically, you have to divide 724 by 7. Got it? Let's just divide 724 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. So 7 subtract 7 is 0. Got it? Bring the next digit down, that would be 2. 2 is less than 7. You cannot divide 2 by 7. So you have to bring another digit down. So on the same step, you are getting another digit down. So you have to add a 0 in the answer. Got it? So 7 times what number is 24? 1 is 7, 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28. 28 is greater, so we can go for 7 times 3 is 21. Got it? You are left with just $3, and with the $3 you cannot buy another ad. That means you can buy $103 from 724 dollars. You have left with $3. So the ads you can buy is 103. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So if you need more help with the topic you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So we're going to start with a new chapter, that's subtraction. And the lesson name is subtract numbers up to 3 digits. The first lesson name is subtract numbers up to 3 digits. Got it? Subtract numbers up to 3 digits. Okay, let's start with the lesson. Okay, here we are on grade 3 maths. The chapter we're going to start is subtraction, and the lesson we're going to start is subtract up to 3 digit numbers. Got it? Let's start with the first lesson, that is subtract numbers up to 3 digits. Let's start with the test. Okay, 872 subtract 50. Okay, you have to subtract 872 out of 50. Got it? So Can we subtract 2 out of 0? Yes, because 2 is greater than 0. Got it? You always subtract a greater number out of the smaller one. Got it? So 2 subtract 0 is 2. 7 take away 5 is 2. And write 8 as it is. So it would be 822. Very good, Foma. So the correct option is 822. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, the next one is 395 subtract 77. Okay, can we subtract 5 out of 7? No, we cannot subtract 5 out of 7 to borrow 1 from here. Got it? So when you borrow 1 from here, you're left with 8 here, and now you have 15. You can subtract 7 out of 15. Got it? Just subtract 7 out of 15. So 15 subtract 7 equals 15 subtract 7 equals 8. Got it? So here you have 8. So 8 subtract 7 is 1, and write 3 as it. So it would be 318. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. It would be 318. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 201 subtract 85. Okay, 201 subtract 85. Okay, can I subtract 1 out of 5? No, 1 is a smaller number. We cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So I have to borrow 1 from the digit right before the 1, but you have a 0. You have to borrow 1 from here. It would be 1. It would be 10. But when you borrow 1 from here, it would be 9, and it makes 11 here. Got it? It would be 11 subtract 5 is 6. 9 subtract 8 is 1, and you have 1. It would be 116. Very good, Foma. It is 116. Got it, everyone? You have to borrow 1 from the previous digit. From here, you can go to the one more digit back. By borrow 1 from here, it would make 10 here. But you borrow 1 from here, you are left with 9 here, and it would make 11 here. Got it? So it would be 11 subtract 5 is 6. 9 subtract 8 is 1. And you have to 1 as it is. Got it? It would be 116. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 572 subtract 20. Okay, so which option is the correct one? You have to do 572 subtract 20. So 2 subtract 0 is 2 subtract 0 is 2. 7 subtract 2 is 7 subtract 2 is 5, and write 5 as it is. So it would be 552. Got it, everyone? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is subtraction input output tables up to 3 digits. Okay, then let me write down the lesson name. The lesson name is subtraction input output tables up to 3 digits. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, complete the table. Okay, you are given with the input values and the output values. You have to complete the table. That's the same we have done with the division, but with the division you have the input values, but here you have to either subtract or either add. Got it? You just have to follow the rule. Got it? But the tables, the concept of the table is the same. You have to apply the rule on the input value and you'll get the output value. Got it? Okay, the rule is you have to add 100. Got it? The rule is you have to add 100. Add 100 means you have to add 100 to each input value to find the output value. Got it? So then 100 plus 62 is 162. So here you have 162. Got it? Then 209 plus 100 is 309. Got it? So here you have 309. Got it? Very good. And 752 plus 100 is very good, Foma. It is 852. So the correct option is 162, 309, and 852. That would be the first option. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, again, you have to add 100. So which option is the correct one? 808 plus 100 is 9. 871 plus 100 is 971. 281 plus 100 is 381. Got it? 908, 971, and 381. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, which option is the correct one? Again, you have to add 100. So which option is the correct one? 100 plus 641 plus 100 equals 741. Got it? Then 141 plus 100 is 241. 260 plus 100 is very good. It would be 360. So the correct option is mm, the first one. Got it? 741, 241, and 360. Just Foma is answering. Where is the rest of the students? Okay. Now you have to subtract 100. So subtract from each input value to get the output value. Got it? 962 minus 100 is 862. 911 subtract 100 is 811. 842 subtract 100 is 742. Got it? It would be 862, 811, and 742. Got it? Okay, which option is the correct one? You have to subtract 100 again from each input value to get the output value. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Which option is the correct one? It would be 529, 460, and 57. So which option is the correct one? Option number 2. Got it? Okay, you can complete a test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is, if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Subtract numbers up to 3 digits, word problem. Subtract numbers up to 3 digits, word problems. Got it? Okay, let's start with the next lesson. Okay, mm, here it is. Subtract numbers up to 3 digits word problems. Okay, let's start with the test question. Please listen to me carefully. Ron, ri- Ron wrote a total of 334 songs in his career. Out of these, 77 songs were popular. How many songs did Ron write that were not popular? Got it? So the total songs were 334 and just 77 were popular. You have to find the one that were not popular. So you have to subtract 77, 334. Got it? So 334 subtract 77. Okay, let's start. You have to subtract from the ones digit. You cannot subtract 1 out of 4, so you have to borrow 1. It makes 14 here. Got it? So 14 subtract 7 is 7. Got it? Again, you cannot subtract 2 out of 1, so you have to borrow 1. Makes 12 here. So 12 subtract 7 is 5. You have to. Otto, you are here to check the answers. You have to here to answer. Got it? So please answer the questions, not check the answers of the other students. If you know the answers, just write the answer. Okay, Sean started working at the French restaurant. Last week, he polished a combined total of 395 small and large glasses. If the Sean polished 45 small glasses, how many large glasses did he polish? Got it? So you have to subtract 395 out of 45. So which option is the correct one? 5 subtract 5 is 0, 9 subtract 4 is 5, and 3. So it would be 350. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, a large company hosting a conference. So far, a total of 973 people have signed up, including 11 from the United States. How many people from other countries have signed up? Right? So just 11 of them are from the United States. So just subtract 11 out of 973. Got it? So it would be 973 subtract 11. Okay, 3 subtract 1 is 2. 7 subtract 1 is 6, and you have 9, so it would be 962. Got it? Foma, please stop talking. It isn't good if you're using hacks. You have to use your mind. You have to use the concepts I'm explaining. Don't guide the other ones, otherwise, I'll block you. You're using it isn't good. Use your own mind. You're just in grade 3. Our treasure hunter discovered a buried treasure chest filled with a total of 571 gems. 38 of the gems were diamonds and the rest of the were rubies. How many of the gems were? How many of the gems were rubies? Got it? You have to subtract 38 out of 571. Got it? So 571 subtract 38 is 571 subtract 38 is you have to borrow 1, it would be 11, and here you have 6. So 11 subtract 8 is 3. Autos, stop talking. 11 subtract 8 is 3. 6 subtract 3 is 3, and you have 5, so it would be 533, not 539. Got it? It would be 533. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is Abram is a school janitor. Last week he picked up a total of 763 pieces of trash. If he picked 81 pieces of trash in the classroom, how many pieces of the trash did Abram pick up outside the classroom? So you have to do 763 subtract 81. Got it? So it would be 63 subtract 81. 3 subtract 1 is 2. You have to borrow 1, so it would be 6 here, and it would be 16. 16 subtract 8 is 8, and 6, so it would be 682. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by your day. You can complete the self by yours. You can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have just covered. We have started with the chapter division. The lessons we covered from the chapter are division input output tables, divide 3-digit numbers, the final test, the new chapter that is subtraction. The lessons we've covered are subtract numbers up to 3 digits, subtractions input output table up to 3 digit, subtract numbers up to 3 digit. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have all the test questions or on all the lessons we did today. Got it? So if you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone. Please click on the like button right below the video if you find this helpful for you. Got it? So that's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Bye, everyone.